Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, my Facebook or my Instagram or my social media. Welcome. My name is Georgette Pro TV. So it's very simple to present myself. So a lot of people ask me why I don't, why I don't show the people my face, why I don't make the video to show the people. I remember, I think 1 month or 3 weeks ago, I showed the people how to clean your face, use the aloe vera gel mixed with the coconut oil. That's why I will show the people to do that. But today, I'm gonna just show you guys how I make my eye brushes over here. That's for today. I'm not gonna show you how to make all makeup I do now, just to do my eye brush. The first step, I take my spoolie, just brush my natural eye brushes. Okay, and but I have to use the sample crayon, sample pencil. So let's filling my eye brush. And please don't forget to subscribe to on her YouTube channel. She's name is Bicep Paris. She doing very good the makeup. Please don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe to on my YouTube channel is Georgette Pro TV, or my Facebook page is Georgette Pro TV too, is the same. So it's good to do the makeup. Please subscribe on her YouTube channel. His name is Bicep Paris. I'm not a professional to use good makeup, to do good makeup, but she does. She does good makeup. She doing very good, very simple, very beautiful. She's black like me. She's a black woman like me. So hey, Bicep Paris, I like you so much when you do, and I love all your video you post on your YouTube. Please, crayon, this simple crayon or pencil. This simple crayon or pencil with divine. So that's my crayon with divine. Just doing single line. I'm gonna take my spoolie, to blend. Hey. So after that, using my concealer to add my definition or clean up my brush with my Lega Pro concealer. This one is concealer Lega Pro. I start here the same thing. Come here, do the same thing. And come here, repeat the same thing. Good. Same thing too. Okay, that's it for today. Do this like that. So you come here. Okay, you come here, try to blend a little bit. Blend a little bit your concealer over here. Okay, so I'm done for today. Just one thing to show you how I make my eye brushes. Just one thing for today. So I think I'm done. So this is so the reason why I use this little thing to clarify again my eye brushes. A lot of people don't use it, but a lot of people use it. It depends to the, like I say, it depends to the people. It depends to the person who want to use it. So the reason why I use this little thing to clarify again my eye brushes, my liner for eye brushes. So my eye brush look perfect. Woo! I did it. So I think I'm done. So now look my eye brushes. She's name is Jalia. She's so funny. Sometimes when she do the video, she have a story to tell the people. She's so funny. I like her video. And I don't have so many things to tell you. Just subscribe on my YouTube channel. Again, Georgette Pro TV. My Instagram, the same thing. My Facebook page, the same thing, Georgette Pro TV. And don't forget to share the video, to comment, to ask me the question. If you have a question, any question, ask me. If I'm feeling comfortable to answer your question, that's good. I have to do that. If I'm not feeling comfortable, I have to answer you. It's the same. So if I'm not feeling comfortable, okay, I have to sleep, eat a little bit, and answer your question. Okay, I think I'm done. I already finished to make my makeup, and look my eyelashes, and look my eye brushes. My airbrush and my eyelashes. I already make that myself. Nobody try to do for me the makeup. Nobody. Just I do myself. And I think sometimes I use this. This one is very good. And that one is very good too. This palette is very good. Just small palettes. That's it. I'm gonna use this pencil. Before I use my airbrush, I just brush a little bit my eyelashes and my airbrush. After that, so I take